Alright, we're going to cover Nick Cave and the Bad Seeds song, Tupelo. Tupelo, Tupelo. Tupelo by Nick Cave and the Bad Seeds. I think it was their first original song that was released as a single. I could be wrong, but I think it is. And it's like it's supposed to be like a kind of a drunken heroin take on John Lee Hooker blues. They were doing a lot of blues around that time, but it was like a really screwed up blues. But there's Tupelo is most of it is in F minor. You can slide into it. A lot of rhythm scratches because Tupelo, then Tupelo. But really what the song is about Elvis being born, and that's like the birth of rock and roll. So Nick Cave made a song where it's kind of like a supernatural event, and they're having the 100-year floods, and because it's like a mythology around Elvis. That's I've heard him talk about it. I think they maybe have their guitars detuned to E flat, so then you can get that really low. You go here for the F. No, you would go here for the F if you were detuned, and then you would do open strings for the E flat. But I have to grab it up here. And then there's another guitar in there playing slide, just making weird noises. That's like Nick Cave in that version of his band. He just had a guitarist they only just made weird noises in the background. The guy really wasn't a guitar player. That's the second guitar. Now, of course, the main guitar was Mick Harvey, who's multi-instrumentalist. So that's really, you were really hearing Mick Harvey's guitar. All right, but pretty simple song. You can grab you can play it down here. Just depends on the situation you're in, if you're solo or you're playing in a band. But I check out the Austin City Limits when Nick Cave performed down there. I thought he did a good version of Tupelo. You can check it out on YouTube. Okay, maybe I'll put a link to it in the description. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.